The Kanso 3 sound processor features auto-on and button-free control. Simply picking up the sound processor activates auto-on. When your sound processor detects your implant within 5 seconds, it will automatically turn on and flash green to indicate that it is successfully processing sound. If your implant has not been detected within 5 seconds, the sound processor will remain off. Another way to turn your device on or off is by tapping your Kanso 3 sound processor. 2 taps turn the processor on. And 3 taps turn the processor off. Tapping can also be used to turn the processor on or off while it is on the head. Avoid sliding your processor sideways onto your implant. This could cause the processor magnet to misalign with your implant. Always place the processor directly onto the implant area from above. Hold the sound processor slightly above the implant location on your head. Rotate the processor slightly in both directions, clockwise and counterclockwise. When you feel a strong pull, place the processor on the implant. For more information, visit our website.